What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is IYAK SAYO by SAMPALOCOLLECTIVES. It's a Philippine song. It's actually Taglish, so it's Tagalog and English. Alright? So let's start. Alright, let's start from the beginning. So this one goes close feet first. Alright? So, sorry, we face this side. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, point and close. Is it like this? One more time. 6, 7, and then 1, 2, point. So that's 2 count. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, away, and 8. So make sure you stay this one. This is my finger. Hey. Alright, again. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, again. 7, and then chest, point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then faster. 5, 6, 7, and ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Pop! Next! Make sure it's straight. I can't straighten my finger. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This one you're gonna go chest, change, tap. This is 1, 2. Alright? Then you're gonna go 3, clap on 4. Copy? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go step back chest. 5 and 6. Step 7. Change weight on 8. Up and down. Alright? Again. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3. Clap on 4. Chest. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Gonna go and down. Alright? Let's connect from the beginning till here. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very good. Head down. Very good. Alright, next, you're gonna step right to the back, then shoulder. It's basically left, right, up, left, right, and stop. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, up, 1, stop. We'll change to the front. Go 7, 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, you're gonna do a head isolation. Your head going to your left. Alright, then your finger going to your right. 6, 7, and 1, 2. Alright, again. 7, and 1, 2. 7, and 1, 2. Then you're gonna go 3, 4. Copy. Then step forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, from the beginning. Here we go. Are you ready? You, me too. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Good. Chest down. 7, 8. Loop and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 7 up. Head and away. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. On the next one, we're going to repeat this one until somewhere like 2 8s. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, and this is the second part, okay? So after you walk 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 1, 2. Alright, we stop here. So after 2 8s. But instead of doing this one on the second part, we're going to the side. 7 and go like this. Slide. Left, right, left. Again. 5, 6, 7, and then loop and go. 1, 2, 3, close. Away on 5, 6, go change again, 7 and 8. Alright, again, 5, 6, 7, and oh, who are you doing that? 7 and go, 1, 2, 3, 4, away, 6, 7, 8. Next, hope you can see my legs. You're gonna go hit 1, 2, twice, 7 and 1, 2. Copy? Again, 1, 2. What next? Sorry, I forgot. 6, 7 and 1, 2. Then you're gonna go up and down, 3, 4, then walk around, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try. Second part, and down. Go, 1, 2, 3, away, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, walk around, and 6, and 7, 8. There we go. Let's try first and second part. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, chest, 6, 7, and 1, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and head, and go, 5, and the tap, tap, point, ha, ha, head, hook, 5, 6, 7, and 1 to the side, 1, 2, 3, up, back, up, 7, and 1, 2, tap, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are you doing? Alright, next. Now for this one, you go in front, 1, drop on 2, 3, 4, down on 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. One more time, this time faster. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Next, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. For this one, heel, toe, 7, and heel, toe. By the way, when you do heel, toe, every time you do the heel, your head not down. Then stay your head and down. So don't do heel, down, like this. Alright, 6, 7, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Next, step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, then 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. Go from heel toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, toe, heel, and then 1, 2, 3, back, left, right, left, up. Then give me 2 pulls. 7, freestyle. 1, 2, 3, turn around, and 5, 6, and 7, stop. Beginning until here. 5, 6, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, away, walk forward, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we go on the second part, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, back, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel toe, 1, 2, 3, and left, right, left, up, freestyle, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Last 8. Or this one, super easy. Just pump your chest. Any. You can pump here, 6, 7, give me 1 on that one. 2 count, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Back, 7, and 1, 2. Next, 3, and 4. Away on 5, 6. This is quick. 7, and 8. Then stay there. 8 and boom. That's it. Let's try again. 5, 6, 1, 6, 7, and boom. And ha, ha, ha. Away. 7, 8. Boom. Yes. Good job. From the beginning, all of it. You move to your left a little bit. Are you ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Very good. Hop. Knee and check. Hop. Forward. Hop. Head. Front. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. One side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are you doing, Bryan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left. Freestyle, number 2. And 5, 6, 7, and just. Cha, cha, cha. Hit. Yay! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography of the song. Please don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in 2 weeks because I'm going to visit my homeland, Philippines. Alright? So, bye-bye.